Where are we gonna go? Not this way. We don't need to go to the movies.
I don't know. Oh, we need a taxi cart.
We do not need a
Taxi carts.
We don't need a taxi cart.
We don't need it. So shiny and pretty.
Don't swallow, because that would hurt. That would hurt big time. Aww. Do that again. That's cute. I really like the other one, but this one is so pretty.
Look at that. It looks like her temple. She's so worried.
Mm-hmm. You look so gorgeous.
I really like this. See, it's not like Easter. Yeah. You wanted it to be kind of that. Okay. I don't know. Don't jinx it, Grandma. Hey, we can give him carrots later.
Yeah, we probably
Yeah, Grandma
can.
says it's okay.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Well, they're all pretty.
No. Struggling there?
Yeah, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. What do you need to breathe for?
Yeah, exactly. Gotta find her pockets. You almost had it, I think. I saw it. Now forward a little bit. Nope, you went over it. Down. Oh. And you know, you just buy a bunch of double-sided tape and tape the crap out of your top so it don't go nowhere. Not like little, there's dance tape that you, yeah. Okay. You looked at me like I was crazy.
Some duct tape right here holding it out.
There we go.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? So, tell us what you're thinking.
No.
Heidi, you can't do that.